In this video, I will show you which bag fits best for DJI Mini 3 Pro. Hello, my friends. Recently, I got DJI Mini 3 Pro and did some research on which bag would fit it best. I wanted it to be not overly large, but compact and small. So I narrowed it down to these two: Manfrotto Advanced 3, the small one with 3 liters capacity, and the large one with 6 liters. This one is the large one, 6 liters. As you can see, it comfortably fits the DJI RC, the charging hub with the battery, the drone, and the neck strap. The soft dividers allow you to create spaces according to your preferences. I've found that the best way to fit everything comfortably is the arrangement you see. It has a front tripod connection strap for your small tripod, but since we don't need it for the drone, we're putting it back in its place. Exterior pocket for small accessories. I'm wearing the bag to show how it looks and how spacious it is on an average person. Let's go to the small one. The quality is quite good, and it's the same as the larger 6-liter bag. It comes with a soft divider, but I removed it to fit everything. In this bag, I sometimes carry the Canon EOS RP with the RF 35mm lens. After testing, I concluded that the suitable arrangement of the components to fit in the bag is this. I admit that everything is very cramped in this bag. I don't use the soft pad, and the two-way charging hub doesn't fit. However, the battery does fit. If you want to minimize the size of the bag, then this option is for you. I use the large bag because I want to have space and keep the accessories from touching each other, separating them with the soft pad. After presenting the two bags and their features, it's clear that the choice depends on your needs. If you prefer lightweight and compact storage, the small bag is ideal. However, if you want more space and protection for your accessories, the large bag is the better option. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave your comments and let us know which bag you chose. See you in the next video.